Okay guys, hi. This second example, we'll try to change some of the settings in the SWMM. So I hope you guys have checked out the link for YouTube video that explain each setting of analysis in SWMM. So choose your setting properly, whether you want to choose simpler method of analysis or a steady flow method, or you want to analyze on the much complicated routing, which is a dynamic flow. So in this example, I will use a simpler method, which is a steady flow. So first, you open up your SWMM and your project file, the same as the previous video. So you change the settings in the project defaults. In this example, it's a bit different, where I use open channel of conduit geometry, and the method of routing is a steady flow, the simpler one. So as in previous example, you need to outline your subcatchment area by either clicking the icon of subcatchment or selecting the subcatchment from the left window. You can also edit your subcatchment. As you can see in this example, tracing of subcatchment is not correct, so I need to do some alteration on the first subcatchment there. So what you can do is select your subcatchment and then right click on it, where there's an option to add vertices. You select vertices, so you can change the position of your vertex, and you can also add vertex by right click on the vertex, add more vertex, so you can have a perfect shape of subcatchment. So it's very useful method in case you mistakenly tracing your subcatchment area. And the rest is just as previous example. You put on conduits, you put on nodes, junction, and you change the the elevation of nodes, and also the length of conduits. And in this example, all the nodes are connected to the main pipe, as shown in the outfall. Outfall actually is the method of releasing the runoff into detention pond. But what I want to show in this example is that the first one is the routing method, and the second one is the value of time series, where in this example I'm using 100 mm per hour rainfall intensity. So as before, I use in the 15-minute interval, and the value is in mm per hour. So you have 0, 25, 50, 75, 100, and then they start reducing until 0. So this example, I set the rain gauge's location at the last part, and then assign it to time series Padang Besar, and also the subcatchment reference to rainfall, rain gauge 1 R1 need to be changed, and also the area. Do this to all of your subcatchment. And then you set on the invert level for the outfall, and then you click the thunder icon, so you can run the simulation. So as before, you can animate the flow process. You can see the depth of water flowing inside your conduits. So as before, you can see the summary. In this example, the depth of water flowing in the conduits is higher, and you can also check the node, the depth at every node, whether if there is any flooding at nodes, and the outfall loading. You can see the amount of water flowing at the end of nodes, which is at the outfall. So you can save your project, save as, select your location, type your file name, and then click save.